Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Hello friends, how are you? So first of all, welcome to my channel. So what we are going to do in today's video? In today's video, we are going to learn how to greet someone you already know in an informal manner in French. So basically, we'll be learning how to talk to your friend, how to greet your friend when you meet him or her. So make sure to watch the video till the end if you want to learn the basic conversation of greeting your friend. And I'm pretty sure that if you'll watch the video till the end, you'll be able to speak French fluently with me at the end of the video. So let's get started. So what you have to do in the first part of the video, I'll be speaking and discussing the meaning of the dialogues with you, and what you have to do, you have to repeat the dialogue after me. Okay? And in the second part of the video, you'll be actually talking to me. So let's start. So here a boy and a girl are meeting each other and are greeting each other. So the boy is saying, "Salut Maria." In English, it means "Hi Maria." So repeat with me, "Salut Maria." Again, "Salut Maria." Very good. Now, the girl is greeting back to the boy, "Hi." So the girl is saying, "Salut Louis." Repeat with me, "Salut Louis." Very good. "Salut Louis." Very good. Now, the boy will ask the girl, "How is she?" So, there are two ways of asking "How are you" in French. First is "Comment vas-tu?" Second is "Comment ça va?" in the informal manner. So, you can say both "Comment vas-tu" or "Comment ça va?" Normally, people say "Comment ça va?" So, repeat with me, "Comment ça va?" Again, "Comment ça va?" Again, "Comment ça va?" Very good. Now the girl is replying, "I'm good, thank you, and you?" So she'll be saying, "Ça va bien, merci, et toi?" Repeat with me, "Ça va bien, merci, et toi?" Again, "Ça va bien, merci, et toi?" Very good. Now, the boy is saying, "I'm good, thank you, bye." So the boy will say in French, "Ça va bien, merci, au revoir." Repeat with me, "Ça va bien, merci, au revoir." Again, "Ça va bien, merci, au revoir." Very good. The girl will now again say bye. So she'll say in French, "Au revoir." Repeat with me, "Au revoir, au revoir." Very good. Now that was the dialogue. Now I'm very sure you will be talking to me in French. So what you have to do, I'll be speaking the dialogue of the boy and you have to speak the dialogue of the girl with me. Okay? Now let's get started again. "Salut Maria." You say now. Very good. "Salut Louis." Very good. "Comment ça va?" Now you say. "Ça va bien, merci. Et toi?" Very good. Very good. "Ça va bien, merci. Au revoir." Now you say. "Au revoir." Very good. Very good. Now, I hope you have liked the video and you have learned the French way of saying hi, hello to a person you already know. So, if you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Au revoir.